Salam. Pomegranate juice? One. Small. This one. Okay. Mamnoon. Hey friends, welcome back. I am in the beautiful city here in Yazd, and today's video, not a clue, but I'm thirsty and I do want to get myself a pomegranate juice. After all, we are at the capital of the pomegranate juice in the country. Well, actually in the world, Iran. So we're gonna give this pomegranate juice a taste test, and then we're gonna continue on our journey. But look at this place, right? Like, it's so cool. Like, this is like the street, right? So this is all here, like Old Town, and over that side there's a mosque. Over that side there's a bazaar and Old Town and mosque and all that. And this is the place. It sells popcorn, fruit, juices, ice cream. And this is the road here. Noisy, chaotic, just the way how I love it, you know? And yeah. That's it. I don't know. I thought I'd kick off with this video. Look, you can sit outside as well. They put on like the seatings like this. Salam. Hello. How are you? I'm from Ireland. Ireland. Where are you from? Yazd? Very beautiful city. Yeah. Do I speak Irani? No. Everybody thinks I'm Irani here. I love it, but I need to put the camera down because we are like in a public place, on the street. Police and all that can be around, you know. Yeah, and look how he squeezed them by hand. Squeeze all that juices, man. No added sugar, no water, no ice, no nothing. It takes some muscles. Actually, I've tried to squeeze it before. And it's like, you know, it's very nice, very clean. The Iranians are very famous with, actually, well, it's not about fame, but every place I go to, restaurants, cafes, anywhere I go, hotels, whatever, any places I go to, super clean. Like, people are so clean here. Everywhere I go to are clean. Right, got the juice. Let's drink it while we're walking. Oh, it's amazing, man. For those who are wondering, the cost of this juice is exactly $1 here. 40 toman, 400,000 riyal. Anyway, let's continue the tour and see where we're gonna arrive to momentarily. Actually, it's not far from here. Right, so I have arrived to this area and this building, and the thing is, like, there is police just in this square here. Is very, like, you know, security is heavy, so I did not begin the shots from there. I don't want them to see me with the camera, and I don't want to put them on camera as well. But this is the area where I am, and this building here is apparently one of the must-see places here in Yazd. Check it out. Very beautiful, I must say. Very, very nice. Look, more wind catchers. Amazing. Let's go inside and check it out from the inside. It is, as I said, one of the must-see here in Yazd, and I'm here. Might as well. What else to do? You know, maybe afterwards, like, we'll grab something to eat after this juice. What's the name of this place anyway? Like, what is it? Look how majestic it is. So beautiful. I mean, like, those, like, look like minarets. Entrance to a mosque, like, or what is it? You know? It's not a mosque though. Very cool entrance, I have to say. Yep, amazing. We're in. Oh man, call out the food more and you get it, right? I mean, look, I eat a lot of kebab and all that good stuff. Open sesame. Salam. But maybe let's take a little walk here. This looked like a good restaurant, by the way, actually. But let's see if we What was that entrance? Like, I'm entering this, that make no sense. Look at that. Yeah, I might have found a hidden gem here. You know, well, it's not so much hidden to be fair, but I'm confused like with the entrance. The entrance did not give me that perception that I'm gonna enter into like a, you know, food stalls and all that. Most places here are closed. Today is Thursday. It's not even Friday, so Friday is going to be a nightmare. Well, not a nightmare, but like, you know, it's a lot of places are gonna be closed here. Friday is the best timing to take a break while traveling in Iran, because there's a lot of places are closed and it's just not nice, like, not to see people. But yeah, look, I'm in the other side and this is it. So I came in from there. You can see those are like minarets. And all this here, look at the space, it's amazing. Right, I'm gonna go back and I'm actually gonna grab something to eat from there. Very, very appetizing, at least it looked. And I need to make a decision on which one. I think one of the small ones, not the big one. I prefer those places than fancy lights and, you know, fancy seatings and all that. Why? It's food. What matters is the food, you know? Did I show you this on? You can see that. But I think this one here, look at this place here. He is free. And look, those are like hearts and livers. They make here a lot. There's the fat and there's the chicken. And of course there's the kebab and the meat, tomatoes and all that. And this is the seating for this restaurant. So this here would be for this here and maybe this one here, you know? And I wouldn't mind. Let me just make a decision. Let's just investigate, you know? Something will tell me to come in. You know, oh look, I think this is it. Is it? But I don't eat, like, I don't want heart or liver because I know it and I don't like it, you know? It's not like, I just don't like it, you know? Okay, I know what I want. And it is here. Salam. Salam. You speak English? No. Here. Okay. Mamnoon. Let's try if somebody speaks English, would be great, you know. Salam. You speak English? Little is good. Can I eat? I want food. Kebab?
Kebab.
Yeah. What is it with? Rice? Rice? Tomatoes?
No.
The thing is, like, I want to know what they serve it with. Kebab?
Kebab.
Okay. How much? Toman?
How much? 30.
Let's see what is happening. Probably it's with bread. So the price is 30,000 toman, so it's 300,000 real. The thing is, like, I don't know how it's served. That's the problem. Like, I can't talk to him. Let's order it anyway and see what happens. Can I get 2 kebab?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I sit here. Here. Yeah, I'll sit here. Oh, look at this. Can't get more local than this, you know.
Down, up. Down, up.
Down, up. I could also go up using the stairs, but I will stay down. I love it. Down, up. Oh man, been walking a lot. As I mentioned, if you missed it out, check it out, link below. We are touring today Yazd city and it is absolutely damn gorgeous. We are going to give this food a taste test and I have absolutely no doubt in my mind the Iranian kebab is actually amazing and I have eaten it already. This was spontaneous, but this is what happens when we're traveling. Right, let's give the food a taste test when it arrives and ready. Right, so the food has been served. It is in front of me and I am looking at it. The thing about, like, you know, when I enter places, and I know a lot of people question it, like, why do you ask, you know, when you enter, what is it served with and how does it come and, you know, how much and all this? Because, like, information is gold. Like, information is very important regardless what is the topic about. And in this situation, I'm entering a restaurant. I want to understand what is served with, especially because I'm a stranger. I don't know the system here. I don't know. Every place does it different, you know. I've ordered kebab before. They give it to me just on a piece of bread. I ordered kebab before. They give it to me with rice, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and all that. And that's the reason why I'm asking. I've had something like this before. And this is what I got, okay? It's pretty much 2 kebab, piece of bread, big plate, by the way, and onions. I have no doubt in my mind that the kebab is incredibly delicious. Okay, I already know it, like, without even trying it. Here, look. Oh, it's amazing. The seasoning, the Iranian seasoning is incredible, and I love the way how he cooks it. Look, the way how he cooks it. Like, it's not fully cooked, like there is, like, you see. Oh, it's incredible. Oh man, it's amazing. But my point is, like, you don't know what you're getting, you know. And I don't mind it. This is actually gonna be a cure, so it's good. Anyway, this is incredible. I'm gonna smash this and continue the tour. Or I don't know, maybe put an end to the video or something. I don't know. We'll see. Look at this. Finally, one last shot of this. Yeah. The juices, they're incredible. With the onion as well. I'm gonna wrap it with the bread. Let's finish it now. Right. Just had the food. It was really amazing. I'm good now. Like, I'm full, you know. But I would be exiting this area here and making my way to a different place and location and exploring the rest of Yazd. But I'm afraid this video has made it to the end. If you have made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing. If you have not subscribed already, give the video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.